Hello children, this is Rupali teacher and we are going to see today question answers of EVS 2 standard 4 lesson number 18. What is the name of the lesson? Management of the welfare state of Swaraj. Okay, after Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj, now the next thing is how he is going to manage it. Okay, so let's see if you have understood the lesson. Remember one thing, children, in EVS 2, you have to read every lesson like a story, just like you read a storybook. Then you will remember everything in detail. Okay, now let's go to the exercise. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, जैसे हमेशा फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स होता है, इसमें भी पहला क्वेश्चन है फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. पहला फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है, कैन यू रीड विथ मी चिल्ड्रन? द लाइफ ऑफ शिवाजी महाराज इज एन अनएंडिंग सोर्स ऑफ डैश. वट एवर इज इन पिंक कलर इज द आंसर. ओके, मैंने यहाँ पे डॉट 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 या डैश नहीं किया है, डायरेक्टली आंसर पिंक कलर में है. सो जो मेरे वीडियोस पहले से देखते हैं उनको मालूम होगा ये बात. ओके, so the life of Shivaji Maharaj is an unending source of inspiration. Dash was the dream of Shivaji Maharaj. What was the dream? Hindvi Swaraj. Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar was in the service of Dash of Bijapur. बीजापुर में कौन रूलर थे? आदिल शाह. So आदिल शाह is the answer. Question number 4. A new pate was established at Pashan near Pune referred to as Jijapur. Question number 5. Shivaji Maharaj built a special market on Raigad. So total 5 fill in the blanks children. अब हम चलते हैं true or false की तरफ. Now we are moving towards true or false. Write whether true or false. The ministers were appointed by the Pradhan. Is this true? No, it's a false statement. Who appointed ministers? It was appointed by Shivaji Maharaj. So Shivaji Maharaj had excellent command over his army. Of course, it's a true statement. Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar was in the service of Mughals. No, wrong statement. Just now we saw that he was in the service of Bijapur, Adil Shah of Bijapur. Now question number 4. Shivaji Maharaj respected Bhagavad Gita as well as Quran Sharif. That's true. He never differentiated between religions. Question number 5. The Maratha army had marched upon Belawadi in Kerala. That's false. Okay, now name the following. Shivaji Maharaj developed trade ports. Where did he develop trade ports? In Rajapur. Government has started project to make Maharashtra a drought free state. सूखे से बचाने के लिए, महाराष्ट्र में सूखा पड़ता था ना, तो उस चीज़ से बचने के लिए गवर्नमेंट ने क्या किया? जलयुक्त शिविर का स्टार्ट किया उन लोगों ने. अ ब्रेव वुमन fought a great battle in defense of the fortress. Who was the great woman? It was Mallamma Desai. If you read the book, if you read the lesson, you will understand the story of Mallamma Desai. Okay, she was fighting against Shivaji Maharaj and Shivaji Maharaj was so impressed with her that the fort which he has captured returned back to Mallamma Desai with lot of respect. Okay, Shivaji Maharaj suggested to destroy the germs that were harmful to health. It was done by the process called as fumigation. Desired reconversion to Hindu religion. Who was he? Netaji Palkar. Now match the following. You all know that Shivaji has 8 ministers, council of ministers. How many people were there? There were 8 people and everyone was assigned his duty. So let's see who were who, which duty were assigned to whom. पहला है नीराजी रवाजी. नीराजी रवाजी related to the field of justice. Okay, he was the chief justice. न्यायाधीश हम्बीराव मोहिते डिफेंस डिपार्टमेंट में थे और उनका काम क्या था? He was the chief of defense and his work was to appoint soldier to see anything if it goes wrong. Moreshwar Pandit Rao, his position was related to religious matter. Moro त्रिम्बक पिंगले, he was प्रधान and administration department से relate करते थे. Annaji Datto have to carry out the government orders. Now last question, answer the following. What was the creed of Shivaji Maharaj? The creed of Shivaji Maharaj was to destroy the wicked and uphold the good. What a lovely creed he had. Destroy the wicked, बुराई का नाश और सच्चाई, अच्छे लोगों की जीत, उनको बढ़ावा देना, ये शिवाजी की लालच थी. Write the qualities of Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj was a model son, a cautious leader, a skilled organizer, a great warrior, an epoch marker. So जितनी भी तारीफ शिवाजी महाराज की जाए वो कम है. Okay, there is not enough words to describe him, his qualities. Name some learned men who received the patronage of Shivaji Maharaj. Learned men like Parmanand, Gaga Bhatt, Dhundiraj and Bhushan received the patronage of Shivaji Maharaj. How did Shivaji Maharaj make drinking water available to the people? Shivaji Maharaj had various bunds built near the villages in Swaraj to make drinking water available to the people. Okay, children. So, which lesson we saw right now? We have seen management of the welfare of Swaraj. Thank you. Have a nice day.